guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're not working in my garage, we're working in Aaron's garage. Say what's up to my boy Tony. Today we're not working on my car, but we're working on Tony's car. Look at that interior, nice and clean, creamy interior. We're going right into the meat of today's video. We're doing the new spark plugs at the Hellfire Performance shop. So I already got the manifold off. Everything's all undone. All the lines are taken out. I'm gonna try and vlog as much as possible. I know Tony's got some stuff to do today, so we're trying to get everything in and out. Also, with doing the spark plugs, we are going to be doing the transmission fluid as well and the diff fluid. If you own a GTR and you want to save a little bit of money, I would say do your transmission fluid yourself, or at least learn to, even your spark plugs, and if you have to change out your injectors, because you know you're already going to be accessing the manifold anyway. So learn how to do transmission fluid. This is not going to be a how-to video because there's a bunch of resources. GTR has been around for over 10 plus years and it's just probably going to be redundant. We're doing it here at Aaron's house because he has the quick jacks. For you guys, if you guys want to do some DIY stuff at home, invest in a quick jack. I wish I did buy my own pair when they were available at Costco. So we're just gonna
bring it back.
I know, right? We gotta bring it back. Like, I think that was like the cheapest, yeah, when we had.
I'm actually really sad.
I really wish that Costco, if you guys can hear us, make use of you guys' warehouse and store some quick jacks because we need it.
Yeah, that's crazy.
What's up?
This thing's easier than the Frontier.
Oh hey, yeah, this is, yeah. Another thing to point out, since we're working on a GTR, even though it has a name of GTR, remember guys, it's made by Nissan, so they try to make it somewhat, what's the good word for it? Serviceable. Somewhat, yeah, serviceable to, you know, just a regular garage guy. So if you're not doing anything crazy, if you're doing just regular spark plugs, injectors, intake, whatever, it's all good. You can do it. You can probably do it yourself. Also, this was actually mine, but Tony somehow busted his one.
Yeah. Lifesaver right here.
Lifesaver, yeah, for real. Yeah, like, okay, so quick story. One day Tony was like, yo, my car is like overheating and it's smoking, and then we're like, okay, it's probably the coolant. So we went and check it out, and the OEM coolant tank was just cracked. Luckily, I had this uninstalled from my car. And how much did Nissan want to charge you for an OEM one?
Like 1,000 something.
1,000 something? Yeah, see, and this is only like 500 something bucks. So you get a nicer one, bigger tank, and it's alpha. Y'all can see here, this car is equipped already with flex fuel. Have you ever tried it with flex fuel? Not yet, yeah? Yeah. We gotta get some flex fuel in this car.
That'll be crazy. So for those of you doing any type of service work, this is for any type of car. When you're pulling coils, you want to keep them in the order that you took them out in. So this is cylinder 1, kind of keep them in some type of orientation. Cylinder 2 is going to be here next to it. Cylinder 3 I'll place over here. That's just in the case something goes wrong, you already kind of know that you can eliminate coils as a problem because they'll always go back to the same cylinder. Quick tip.
For short, make sure everything's in order. If not, just do everything one by one. So we're gonna slap in the new NGK Iridium. I believe these are like OEM ones, so they're already pre-gapped, so you don't have to worry about gapping them. So that just saves us time on one of the steps. And we're just gonna jam right in through it. And I probably want to pick up the camera once we start doing the transmission fluid. Also, with that being said, if you guys haven't done so either, drop a like for today's video. It'll really help a lot. Also, if you guys can go ahead and follow Hellfire Performance, especially if you guys are from Hawaii. Ran by this man right here. Everything's done in his garage. I'll show you guys the Mustang later. We'll give you guys a quick update on the Mustang once we get this car done. But we got more plans for the Mustang and more craziness happens. And also, if you guys haven't done so either, make sure you guys subscribe. All right, quick update. We got the first 3 already out. They're not too bad. Honestly, we don't even know how long these plugs been used, but it's a good thing that we're changing it out today. These are technically gapped. What do we find them gapped as?
These are 025 inch.
025. So OEM spec is around 028 or 031. Yeah. Just for any of you guys that want to do it.
Very slight caveat here. There's like rust on my feeler gauges, so it's actually probably at like 028.
And I already got started with taking apart the under paneling for the diff and trans service. Let's see if I can actually get under the car at the same time. But so it's pretty simple for the diff. Drain goes right here, and if I can focus, the fill is all the way at the top, and then we got the trans all the way down here, drainage right here, and all the way at the top, and I just don't want to sneak under there yet. The fill is on the opposite side, on that side. So we're gonna have a little fun with it. All right, we got everything all dressed up. Spark plugs are in. Rear diff is already taken care of. Aaron's just doing some final touches on the front. We kind of broke our pump, so we're trying to figure out a way to make it somewhat efficient, because if not, we're gonna have to just play with gravity at this point. Currently we got the last piece of the puzzle, which is the trans fluid. It does get really messy. It's a two-part system. You have your drain plug, and then under it you have your, I guess you can call this like your overflow spout. This is what kind of limits to how much fluid can be in the trans. We already have everything taken out. Everything's draining out. As soon as we get all of that done, then we're gonna be changing out the gears. We're gonna get everything started, make sure everything's running correctly. So before we send out the car, one thing that I wanted to make sure of is just to make sure that everything that we did is nice and functioning. I also do want to check one thing as well when we do get the car running. These blow-off valves, I'm really starting to like TurboSmart blow-off valves, and I just love the way it sounds. It's just like a one-off whoosh instead of getting the Tile Q blow-off valves, which has a flutter. Let me know, guys. Drop it down in the comments. Should I do either Tile blow-off valves with a flutter or TurboSmart? Now I have the option because Nestor actually has TurboSmart blow-off valves and is willing to let it go to me. So we'll. Ooh. Aaron's playing with air today. But yeah, let me know. Should we get a one-off or should we get a fluttered type of vent to atmosphere blow-off valve? So since we broke the pump, our hand pump, we're gonna be playing with air now. Aaron, I swear to God, please, this is all the trans fluid we got, bro. Oh, I see what he's doing now. I see what he's doing. Thank God you have some air in the garage. All right, I'm gonna try my best to record this at the same time while holding this airline. But Aaron came up with the most smartest idea to pressurize the bottle and use his air compressor, and we're just gonna run the line we're just gonna run the fluid line all the way into the trans. And I don't know if this is, I mean, it's working, but it's super sketch because we're filling up a bottle, and this is the only bottle of trans fluid that we have. Tell me not. This is the shit that we do. Honestly,
hey man, it works.
As long as at the end of the day, as long as it works, it's all that matters. We've done some jank stuff, but this is probably the top of the top for now. For sure. All right, we got it running. Let's get some test runs. It's good. She's running good now. Yeah. Goes better? Yeah. I think I'm sold. I think I'm gonna get the TurboSmart blow-off valves. I like that, just that one whoosh, and that's it. I'm not too much of a fan of the flutter. All right, work is done. Lunchtime. Lechon again. Oh, since I finally have Aaron here on the vlog. By the time you guys see this vlog, I really hope you guys hit that 50 like mark on the last video, and I'm gonna link it up here. So make sure you guys like that video over there where we put on the wheels, because in that video I said if we get 50 likes, we're putting GTR wheels
on the Mustang.
On the Mustang. So make it happen, guys. But in the meantime, us Filipino boys are gonna be eating our lechon. So let's eat. Say hi. Say welcome back to the vlog. Say hi. If you guys saw the last video, you guys saw that I installed the new wheels on the GTR, and I did say that I was gonna air out the car, but I wasn't able to do it today for this vlog. So the next vlog, by the time that one comes out, we are gonna air out the GTR. So be on the lookout for that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys haven't done so already, please make sure you guys smash the like button for today's video. And also, if you guys haven't done so either, please make sure you guys subscribe, because we have a lot more videos coming. And what's today's date? I'm filming this vlog, I don't even know what today's date is. Okay, the 23rd. So March 23rd, if I can get everything put together, maybe car be done by the end of April. I'm not really gonna put a timeline to it because I feel like I just might I just might jinx it. So, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, challenge your standards.